Hello everyone, welcome Lead School at Home. Today we will start new chapter in geography, that is third one, water resources. Please student pay attention here and please note that the theoretical aspect of this chapter will not be assessed in periodic test and board examination. Only map items as given in map list from this chapter will be given in board examination. So we directly move towards the map in this chapter, and the map is there, major rivers and dams in India. Please student, put your textbook in front of you while watching this video and be ready with your pen, pencil and notebook. Then you can take also chart for drawing this map. Now we will move towards the major rivers and dams in India. We will start from south. Here in Kerala, Periyar Dam is there. Then here it is in Tamil Nadu. Mettur Dam is there on the Kaveri River. Now in Karnataka, Tungabhadra Dam is there on Tungabhadra River. Then here in Maharashtra, Koyna Dam is there on Krishna River. Then here Nagarjun Sagar Dam is there. It is on Krishna River, and Nagarjun Sagar Dam is on the border of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Now we will move towards Maharashtra. Here in Maharashtra, Pravara Dam is there on Godavari River. Then we will move towards Odisha. Here Hirakud Dam is there on Mahanandi River. Please student, you can note another important sentence, that is Hirakud Dam, longest dam in India, and its length is 25.8 km and it is situated in Odisha. Now we will move towards Gujarat. Here Sardar Sarovar Dam is there on Narmada River. Now we will move towards next dam. Here Gandhi Sagar Dam is there on Chambal River, and again one Rana Pratap Sagar Dam is there. It is on same Chambal River. Then Kota Barrage Dam is there on same Chambal River. Now here in Jharkhand, see here Arihand Dam is there and it is on Son River. We will move towards the next dam. First we complete from north side. Here next dam is Narora Dam is there on here Ganga River. Then next Tehri Dam is there, and Tehri Dam is on same, that is Ganga River. Then next is Bhakra Nangal Dam is there and it is on Satluj River. Please student, again make a point that Bhakra Nangal Dam, it is the highest dam in India of 2.26 meter on Satluj River. Bhakra Nangal Dam is a gravity dam, considered concrete, then stony, masonry or and designed to hold back water. Now see here again Salal project is there. It is on Chenab River. Now we will move towards the next dam. See here Panchet Dam is there. It is on Damodar River. Then again it is in West Bengal. Then Konar Dam is there, same on Damodar River. Then Tilaya Dam is there on Damodar River, and again Mathon Dam is there on same, that is Damodar River. Now here in the east side, Brahmaputra River is the main river in this state, in Arunachal Pradesh, then in Assam, then in Meghalaya. Then when we see again, these are the dams in India. One of the most important things about Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India. That is a 2.61 meter tallest dam in the world in Uttarakhand. And it is on Bhagirathi river, which is a head water for river Ganga. See here, these are the rivers and dams in India. If you have any query, please student ask that query if you have not understood. And please student, you can also draw the important rivers and dams on the map, and please send that photo on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.